Good morning friends, welcome to our channel TDS News. I am here with the latest news updates for you all. So let's start without wasting any time. You will also be shocked to see the luxurious municipal corporation building of Devghar. Chief Minister Hemant Soren has inaugurated the luxurious municipal corporation building of Devghar on Saturday. With this, there is a lot of discussion about this municipal corporation building. This new 5-story municipal corporation building has many specialties. Who will sit in this building, whose chamber will be there, all have been determined. Former Jharkhand CM Raghuvar Das met family members of Education Minister Jagannath Mahto. BJP National Vice President and former Chief Minister Raghuvar Das met his family members at the residence of Jharkhand Education Minister Jagannath Mahto on Saturday. The former CM inquired about the health of the Education Minister. Central Sikh Naujawan Sabha honors students successful in NEET exam. On Saturday, Gagandeep Kaur and student Taranpreet Singh Sheth were honoured by the Central Sikh Youth Assembly on Saturday in Gurudwara Sahib Golpahari, passing the NEET examination. During this, both successful students were encouraged and wished for a better life. BJP state spokesperson and newly appointed Senate member of the Kolhan University, Kunal Sadhangi, and Principal Sardar Shailendra Singh of Jharkhand Pradesh Godwa Committee were present in the program mainly for encouragement. Loss due to lack of awareness. Cattle rearers do not get margin benefit in medicines and supplements. Animal farmers do not get the benefit of the margin in the price of medicines and feed supplements used in livestock. Lack of awareness and loss of small companies in pharmaceutical business has to be incurred by cattle rearing. Government agencies also lost a height of the business of veterinary medicines and feed supplements. Overall education campaign in Jharkhand, 10 computers will be installed in a school. Computer education will be started in 1203 high schools and plus 2 schools in the state. Preparation for this has been started. The process of agency selection for computer labs in these schools have been started by the Jharkhand Education Project. Tender has been invited for this. 10 computer sets will be installed in a school. Murari became the new owner of Jet Airways, started business from Jalan Ranchi. Jet Airways, the airline company stuck in debt, has got a new owner. Consortium comprising London's Corlock Capital and United Emirates investor Murari Lal Jalan will now be the new owner of Jet Airways. The creditors committee which leads to Jet Airways has approved Vinoba Bhave University Hazaribagh fine 50,000. Justice S.C. Mishra of the Jharkhand High Court heard the contempt petition filed in the promotion case for the post of professor at Vinoba Bhave University, Hazaribagh. Through video conferencing, the court looked at the supplementary affidavit filed by the defendant. Justifying JPS's argument, he directed to impose a fine for Rs 50,000 on the university. The university will pay the amount of the fine to the applicant. Jharkhand is not getting its rights. We will not beg. Take away the rights, said Hemant Soren. Chief Minister Hemant Soren lashed out at the central government at an evening held in Devghar on Saturday. Said the BJP government is responsible for the plague of Jharkhand. Other states are being benefited from the minerals of Jharkhand. The whole mineral is going out, but the central government is not giving the money for the rights of Jharkhand. Therefore, it should not happen that the people here take everything in their hands and the country goes into darkness. Renuka Aladar and Anvisha Banerjee of Jamshedpur passed. Former MLA Kunal Sadhangi, while honouring Jamshedpur student, Renuka has achieved 771 rank in the country by bringing the number to 677 out of 720. At the same time, Anvisha has achieved the rank of 2197 in the country by bringing 660 numbers in 720. PM Modi's big statement on corona vaccine delivery will be done like election and disaster management. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday, 17 August, reviewed the situation of corona epidemic in the country. PM Modi also reviewed the status of manufacture and distribution of corona vaccine in the country. The Prime Minister also took information about administrative preparations in dealing with the problem of COVID. Corona caused loss of crores to Chaibasa Nagar Parishad became debtor. Due to coronavirus pandemic, Chaibasa Nagar Council has lost 1.25 crores in the financial year 2020 to 2021. At the same time, the NAP office has also become a debtor of 2.38 crore during the period. COVID-19 updates. Jharkhand reports 542 new COVID-19 cases, 501 discharges and 8 deaths. Total cases at 95,967, including 88,559 discharges, 832 deaths and 6,576 active cases. Weather updates. The temperature will almost be 23 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius and partly sunny. Fuel prices. Petrol up to rupees 81.15 with an increase of 0.41 and diesel up to rupees 75.07 with an increase of 0.49. Special about today. On 18 October 1867, US takes formal possession of Alaska from Russia, having paid $7.2 million. That's all for today's news. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, like, comment and share.